Welcome back, folks. Live trade case study for you. I'm looking to short. It's approaching 2:30, which is my favorite time to look for entries in the London session. I was hoping we'd get up and close this, but didn't get there yet. What we have done is on a 4-hourly chart, we've come into this fair value gap and close that out. That's good. I did mention that I feel we are to go lower. I'm going to target this low here for my short, okay? And I was looking for a pump up. Too short in the London session as per my last video that I did. So it's 2 minutes to 2:30, and I'm going to start to add on positions. I'm going to start with a 5 lot, okay, as this market's moving up now. Okay, so I'm short 5 lot, and I'm going to add more. Probably scale into 3 5 lots on this trade. So we can add another one into that fair value gap. So I've added another. Now I'll wait because we might get into the top there. So currently I'm short 10 lot, okay? And see if we can take out this liquidity. Still got a minute to go before it's 2:30. It's tricky, this one, because we've had this dump down. We've also come into a 4-hourly bullish order block. And we've consolidated down low here as well. Okay, I've added another 5 lot. And so now I'm short 3 lots of 5, which is what I like to, that's the kind of size that I like to trade. Now, as I was saying, this is a bit of risk on this trade because we've had a fair bit of consolidation here at the 4-hourly bullish order block, okay? And we've also, let me tell you the risk in this trade, why I don't like the short that I've taken, okay? But then I'll talk about why I have taken the short. So I'm going against higher time frame directional buys. This down candle has taken all this liquidity, okay? We've come into this fair value gap, okay? This is the 4-hour chart. We've come into this 4-hour order block, and we've had a nice reaction from that. So me shorting here is going against higher time frame directional buys, okay? Plus we've had this dump down, right? Let me jump to a 30-minute chart. So we've had this dump down, consolidation in the fair value gap, and move up. That would have been a nice long. But all that was happening prior to, it was all happening at 1 a.m., which is okay. Sometimes the market moves in the first hour, okay? And I've shorted here at 2:30, which is the top end of that fair value gap on a 4-hourly chart. And I've done that going against the high time frame directional buys with all those things I've shown you. Because it's not just about reading price, it's about understanding, I guess it's experience. So experience tells me we're going down. We've got long strapped up here. I mentioned that in a previous video. We've taken out this swing low, okay? To me, this is a stop hunt, fake move up, stop out existing short sellers, but we have had this dump. So to me, sure, that's a dump for the pumper. I believe that pump has now ended. Yes, that's a dump for the pumper. I don't believe we're going higher as part of that pump up, right? So dump for the pump and then dump. That's what I see. Okay, so there's a lot on the side of repricing higher based on what I've spoken about in terms of what makes this a nice bullish move up and why higher time frame directional bias is to the upside. But now I've also discussed why I feel we're going down. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, and I guess that's where experience comes in. Okay, so I'm short 3 lots of 5, and my target's going to be below these lows. Okay. Let's see, where is that? I'll just do it from here. That's a nice 100-pip move, okay? So I could aim for a little bit lower if I wanted to, but to me, that's the easy exit, right? That's the easy exit. I think as I said in my video earlier, we probably will get below this low and below this low, okay? That's kind of what I see, okay? So I'm going to stop the recording now. I just wanted to show you my entry, do it live for you in front of you, so that you can see that I am shorting this live, my reasoning for going short, and I'm looking to, I'll be peeling these off. Okay, probably first, let's see, where would I take my first exit? Down here, what's that? That's about 60 pips. I think that down to this fair value gap is where I will take off 2/3 of the position. Okay, and that will be, so just here, at the top of there, that's about 75 pips, 70 pips, okay? And then I will take the rest off under these lows. That's my trade plan, okay? So I'm going to stop the recording now, and I hope this video helps you in terms of why I've entered short at this level. Okay, and even if I was long, that's where I would be exiting my longs, okay, at that level there. So I've taken a short from there. And I will journal this trade once I close it out, okay? There you go, folks. Right to the level anticipated. And first target hit, okay? So I've taken off 2/3, exactly what I had mentioned in accordance with my trade plan. I did add another position up here when we got up here to the rejection block. So I've now actually got 4 lots, okay, of 5. Sorry, 4 5 lots. And 2 of those have now been taken off. Another one will be taken off here. Another one of those lots of 5. Okay, that'll be the position that I put on with you live. But then I've got another one added here that I will take off somewhere. Where have I got it? I think I'm aiming for these lows here. Okay, so I'll do this live in advance to show you my entry, where it's going. Okay, then I'll journal my trades. And that takes away all the doubt. Okay, I've taken this entry when we were up here, right, live in front of you. And now it's moved down to exactly where I said I'm going to take off some of those positions. And I've done that. I've taken off majority of my position exactly here where I said, okay. And I've got some still on that I will hold, and either will get down here at these equal lows and I'll take them off, or I might get back up and I might take it off before we get down here. That's different. Okay, that's my own trading, my own management of the trade. The lesson here is the entry and why I've entered and showing you evidence that it's moved as anticipated. Okay, that's called mastery. Okay, elite. Showing you in advance, okay, the entry, anticipating where it's going, showing you live. We've got there, talking you through the reasons for the entry, not random, in alignment with everything that I've said in previous videos, right? So in my earlier video today, the most recent one, I said that I'm looking for shorts, and that's all I've been doing all day. In the most recent one, I told you I am looking for shorts, and if I get a pump up, I will take that short entry because I'm looking for shorts. So this pump up, right, was not a pump up for me to go long from down here. Okay, so notice that we have the exact same pattern down here at a key discount PDRA as we did yesterday, and I took that long. Okay, I didn't take this long today, right? Instead, I waited for premium pricing and took the short. Okay, that's what it takes to understand price action. This is mastery. Okay, very few can do what I've been doing in front of you live. Very few can do the analysis that I've been doing for you in my analysis videos, pointing out where the market's going to go in advance. Okay, and then trading in alignment with that prognosis. Okay, now I don't say that to impress you. I say that so you have the confidence that you are learning from someone who knows how to read price action, and that's what I want to teach you in this channel. That's what I am all about, teaching you how to read price action based on current and future price movement. Okay, so I hope that this video is of use and you're learning from that which I'm teaching you. I will now journal these trades once I close out the remainder portion and talk with you in a future video. Okay.